pulled into the gas station and put about $2.50 worth of fuel in my bike like an idiot. I forgot that I filled it out the other day. Another day, another short ride. This is ridiculous. I've got a really bad habit of leaving my indicators on. It'd be really good if we could set Google Maps to only take us down decent roads. Maybe one day we can set it to avoid potholes as well as avoid tolls and highways. It's not such a bad time of night to be riding. It is still hot outside, it's summer. It's really tempting to jump on the bike in a t-shirt like your typical GIXXER rider. My fear of skin grafts is more than that, and riding around in a t-shirt looking cool. Tonight I'm also going to be testing out, I can't remember what brand they are. I bought a really nice set of, well, to be honest, I only liked them because they were gold. A new set of front discs. A bike that's 22 years old really isn't something that it almost gets away from me. You want to be really careful. Answer to a question I had the other day in the comments was, what kind of bike have you got, and do you recommend it for pre-open license? Well, basically probation, or in Australia you've got, I forget how many wheel horsepower it is, but just as a rule of thumb, 650cc or below, although there are a few bikes around the place that are less than that but have too much wheel horsepower or power to weight. But there is, however, a massive jump between riding a 65, 68 horsepower Kawasaki Ninja or something like that, which is what I used to have. I also used to have a 250cc Ninja back in the days. And a 250cc Honda VTR is where I started out on. But the difference between a rider-friendly 650 and a bike like this, the Suzuki 750, whether it's a early 2000 or 2026, the difference is night and day. Yeah, the first wave I've handed out tonight, no response. How disrespectful. Come on, you pig. I think that's what you call skipping a gear or missing a gear. What a squid. to speed on this thing. Well, it's all of a sudden become extremely windy, which kind of sucks. Or maybe I should just stop whinging. Clem 7. Where the hell am I now? Looks like I'm in the Clem 7. So I have absolutely no freaking idea where I am now. Turn on your radio, huh? Switch on your lights. Check. Avoid lane changes. Check. What the hell is the speed limit through here? They've got signs for absolutely everything except for how fast you're supposed to be going. Oh, hang on, here we are. 80. Fuck's sake, I've got an itchy nose again. In the Clem 7 tunnel. I really don't know where the hell I am. I can't wait to get out of this damn tunnel. Apart from the fact it stinks, it's hot as hell. Where the hell am I? On the other side of Brisbane. Am I? Speed camera in tunnel. Jesus, Brisbane. Give me a break. Can't see a fucking thing. Oh, you good, man. Cheers. Nice work, dickhead. You're recording there, you little savage. Leave a comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. If you ride bikes and you ride around singing to yourself and swearing at people, let me know that I'm not the only one. Oh, that's interesting. I've just had something come up on my map called the Sugar nightclub. Unfortunately, it's closed. How the fuck am I supposed to do that? Come on, give me neutral, bitch. Good girl.